Hey guys, welcome to my website. I'm Christopher Parker in our WordPress websites class, and this is my finished product for my website for this class. Initially, when we started this class, it was very intimidating and um, it's very hard to start getting things together. But once I got the hang of inserting images and doing some custom backgrounds, this became a lot easier, and I'm pretty proud of the work I was able to do with this so far. I'll just reload the front page here. So animation going on, and there it is. But I wanted to keep my website pretty simple and straight to the point, but also something that with my images, it can still be informative and something basic. And I'm not done building this. I know that we only had a first block class to do this and get it graded, but I'm going to continue to build this and continue to work on it because I think this is going to be a great platform for me and future career. The main purpose for my website, besides it being a portfolio, if you will, is also I do a freelance car detailing business in Rexburg here. I just have friends that are friends. It's more of a word of mouth thing, kind of a thing right now, but I definitely enjoy detailing people's vehicles, and I'm working on my own car right now. It's a E4 Firebird, and it's a great car, and I've got a lot to do still with it. Anyways, but my website, I'm pretty proud of it. I worked really hard on this, and I'm grateful for the progress and the finished product so far. But like I said, I'm going to continue to work on this even after the semester's over. So, anyways, just want to give you guys a little bit of a tour here, and go ahead. And one thing I learned I think one of the main things I learned was how to stay calm and to continue just to focus on the main goal of what you want to accomplish with your website. And I felt like I did that. So this is my About Me section. Just a little write-up about me and weather, sports, technology, and like I said earlier, I'm restoring my Pontiac right now. So it's a work in progress, especially on a school budget. I am from Manassas, Virginia. For those of you that don't know where that is, it's 25 miles west of Washington, D.C. So, and we are moving in July after semester is done. So, you know, if I think we've been married for 4 years now, so it's been great. And my other section here, like I said, I want to keep it basic, but straight to the point too. This is my resume here. I took a screenshot of that. It's me at my senior showcase, and this is part of the senior showcase that I did for my website and everything. And you can also download my resume here in a Microsoft Word document and view that fully if you'd like to. And this is my detailing page, or my car page. I've done vehicles for quite a few clients over the years. My prices are more of what you think the job is worth, and I'll probably set that up a little bit better over time. But right now, I've done that, and it beats going to other businesses that might charge you a lot more. So definitely happy with this. I do want to add more vehicles and have probably 10 or 15 more vehicles on this page, but I wanted to keep it basically informative and not too overwhelming for the viewer. And lastly, this is my contact page. Again, there she is. And my email, phone number, and I also have a YouTube channel, which you can check out here. And I have different video tutorials on how to repair your vehicle, basic maintenance things, and also detailing tips and stuff like that. So anyways, I'm very happy with the website, with how it turned out, and I'm still working on it, but I appreciate your guys' patience with me, and glad I learned a lot from this class, and I worked very hard on this, so I'm going to keep going with it. So thanks a lot. I appreciate it.